cutting curves with hand tools, I've done this all my life and it's really very, very efficient. I might use a bandsaw, I'm open to that, but most often I probably would just shoot for a few hand tools. Let me show you how I do this, and I think you'll be amazed. I've got my template here, so I'm marking my shape onto the wood. I'm marking this on your side so you can see, but now I'm going to flip over so I can see what I'm working to from my side. A template means you can replicate too, so you can go over to this side and mark the same detail onto this side, and that would help you to get a balanced upstand for the back of a project you're working on or whatever. So I drop this into the vise, and this should be remarkable to you how few tools I'm going to use. I'm going to start with a handsaw and make a cut right down the middle here, down to the line, and then I'm going to go with this, it's a gent saw actually, down the middle, stop just above the line, and what I love about these gent saws, these cut on the forward stroke, by the way, and what I love about them is the inline you get with the hand to the arm to the elbow is a very direct thrust. So that's the first tool, and now I abandon that and pick up a chisel and a chisel hammer, and I go right on the rise. Work down, and the neat thing about what I'm showing you here is this works on oak, hickory, chestnut, walnut, cherry, almost any wood you care to pick, this works. Take the bulk off. Go down. Creep up on your line. Till you're near. Then you can do a double-handed method like this. And you can just jab at this. Take off the highs. Work down to the low. And then stop in the middle. Turn it round. Just to your advantage. And the same from this side. Until you just meet in the middle. That's the first bit done. Now then, this next bit, we come in with the chisel, this time bevel up. Take off the bulk, like that. Work into the hollow. This is so enjoyable. And you can refine this with your chisel, keep that bevel up and just work it down until you get that continuous curve you want. This part here, we refine this with the spoke shave. So this is another tool you should enjoy using. Minor adjustments. Great exercise. So down the valley, into the bottom, and then just refine your cut. That's that one. Now then, this long one, this is a neat cut here. You could just saw this off. Take the most of it away. But I like this. I go right on the top of the rise, keep my chisel flat, take the bulk off. We've done a massive amount of shaping. All the chunks are here. There's no dust in the atmosphere. And we refine it with the spoke shave. Once you've got to that stage, just take your spoke shave, take the arris off. Take the arris off here and here. Here and here. And that's how we cut shapes, excuse me, on the without a bandsaw. This is just straight cuts basically, followed by curved cuts. Very nice.